Hi, I'm Dr. Daksha Bakre, consultant obstetrician and gynecologist at Birthright by Rainbow Hospital, Sarjapur Road, Bangalore. In today's video, we are going to discuss all about formulating a birth plan. Nowadays, this concept of having a birth plan has become so popular and we heartily encourage it. How does forming a birth plan help? One, it gives you an opportunity to do your own research about what to expect during childbirth and labor. It also is a very important communication tool between you and your team of doctors and nurses who will be helping you during your labor and childbirth. You can always come back to us and tell us what your fears are, what your anxieties are about your childbirth. It helps us to understand where your head's at in terms of your imagination of your childbirth. Having a birth plan helps you to feel in charge, not feel overwhelmed, feel empowered while giving your childbirth, and most importantly, feel safe and happy during the experience. When is the right time to start formulating this birth plan? I would recommend that you start thinking about it at around 30 to 32 weeks of your pregnancy. By then, we already know if there are any complications, whether there is a chance for having a natural delivery, or whether your case requires a cesarean section. We have some clarity about where your case is at. So the first thing that your birth plan should include is the mode of delivery that you would like to have. Whether you're okay having a natural childbirth or whether you are not okay having a natural childbirth, why you wouldn't like to have a natural childbirth, what are your reasons for opting for C-section. Discuss it with your obstetrician and gynecologist at your antenatal visit, and I'm sure they'll give you a lot of information and help you arrive at a decision regarding mode of delivery. Very happy and a safe childbirthing experience. Thank you.